Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday 24th August 2020 and as you know that we have started our revision and reinforcement because we are going to conduct our online first term examination in the first week of September. Alright, in this regard you know that in our previous video lesson on 21st August Friday we revised adverbs. हमने वर्कशीट प्रैक्टिस की थी जिसमें हमने adverbs प्रैक्टिस किए थे and afterwards we practiced fill in the blanks from the story Anansi and 5. You see, this is the story Anansi and 5, right? And we practiced fill in the blanks in the worksheet. I'm sure आपने ये worksheet complete की होगी, इसको practice किया होगा और इसको learn भी किया होगा. Alright. Now let's begin today's revision. Today we are going to revise noun, verb and articles. Alright, noun, as you know that noun is a naming word and verb is a doing word, and articles a, an, the. These are the articles in English language, and a and an are the indefinite articles and the is the definite articles. हमने articles को practice किया था in our unit number 1 PP Longstocking on textbook page number 6. You see, articles a and the are articles और हमने इसको fill in the blanks हमने practice किया था. We practice nouns and then we practice verb as well. हम ये grammar के जितने topics हैं parts of speech हम ये study कर चुके हैं अपने units में, and now we are going to revise these parts of speech noun, verb, article through this objective type MCQ worksheet. Alright children, आपका अगर concept noun, verb and article का clear है, so आपके पास जो भी statement आए आपने उसको carefully read करना है और very wisely आपने अपना correct option choose करना है. हमने इससे पहले इसी तरह का objective type MCQ test related to noun, verb and article अपनी notebook पे भी practice किया था. You see, this is the notebook and we did that on Thursday 23rd April 2020. This was our weekly test of English, noun, verb and article. और similarly हमारे पास यहाँ पे MCQs थे और हमने उन MCQs में से correct option को choose करना था. And we also practice this type of questions on our workbook page number 2. You see, noun, verb and articles. हमने यहाँ पे अपनी workbook पे noun, verbs and articles को practice किया था. इस passage में से हमने noun पहले इसको fill किया, right, by using the appropriate articles and verbs and nouns, and after that हमने इसी passage में से nouns, verbs and articles की examples यहाँ पे blank पे write down की थी. Alright, today we are going to practice this one, objective type MCQ. Why we are practicing objective type? Because the format of our online first term examination, which is going to be conducted in the first week of September, the pattern is objective type. All the questions which are including in your exams, these are close-ended questions. ये सब objective type होंगे और आपने इसको similarly हम इसका जो revision pattern है हमारा worksheet में वो भी objective type है. So let's begin today's practice. Today we are going to practice objective type MCQs. Choose the correct options. So before choosing your correct option, you must have to read the sentence and statement carefully, right? So statement number 1 is the word ship is a dash. The word ship. Which one word? Ship. Word ship क्या है? So your options are noun or verb. इस type का हमारा जो objective type है हमारे एग्ज़ाम्स में मोस्टली आता है. इससे पहले आपका ये ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप जो था ये साइंस, मैथ्स, सोशल स्टडीज़ और इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स में आता था, बट हमने इसको नाउन, वर्ब और आर्टिकल के लिए भी प्रैक्टिस करना है. सो द वर्ड शिप इज़ अ डैश. ये जो वर्ड शिप है ये क्या है? आपके पास इसके लिए ऑप्शंस हैं. नाउन, क्या ये नाउन है? इज़ दिस वर्ड शिप इज़ अ नाउन or is it a verb? Noun is a naming word, you know that. And what is a verb? वर्ब इज़ अ डूइंग वर्ड। सो आपको क्या लगता है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि जो शिप ना है ए वर्ड, क्या ये कोई वर्ब है, क्या ये कोई डूइंग वर्ड है? इज़ दिस वर्ड शोइंग सम एक्शन, or is it a name of a thing, or is it a noun? Yes, your correct option is noun. Ship is not a verb because ship कोई doing word नहीं है. Ship is a noun. So choose noun. Second, the word the is an dash. Word the क्या है आप ये बताएंगे. The word the is an dash, a noun or an article. What is it? Yes, the is the article. So choose your option. Article. Article is the correct option. So you have to encircle this one option. The word took is a dash. Your options are verb, noun. Took is the past verb of take. Take, took, taken. So took is the verb. So your correct option is verb. So circle, put a circle around option number 1, verb. The word pipi is a dash. The word pipi is a dash. Your options are verb or noun. आपको क्या लगता है, pipi कोई verb है? Is this word showing some action? No. Pipi is a noun because Pipi is the name of a girl. So Pipi is a noun, so your correct option is noun. So you have to encircle option number 2. The word an is a dash. Yes, a and the. These are 3 articles in English language, right? So a and the are the articles. So what is your correct option? Article. The word walk is a dash. Your options are, is it article or is it a verb? Yes, walk is a verb because it is showing some action. Yeah, right? So that's a doing word. Definitely your correct option is verb. So encircle option number 2, verb. The word monkey is a dash. Your options are verb or a noun. So monkey is a doing word. क्या ये कोई action बता रहा है, or is it a name of some animal? Yes, monkey is the name of animal. Monkey is the name of an animal. So your correct option is noun because monkey is a naming word. Monkey is a noun. So that's how you will choose your options correctly. I'm sure students, आप ये वर्कशीट जो हमने अपलोड की हुई है स्मार्ट स्कूल के ऐप में, आप इसको डाउनलोड करेंगे और इसको लर्न करेंगे एंड आफ्टर लर्निंग आपने इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस ऑन सम लूज शीट और योर रफ रजिस्टर्स, बट मेक श्योर कि आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करें और इसकी थॉरली आप लर्निंग करें. सो आई होप दैट आप इसको डाउनलोड करेंगे और इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. ऑलराइट, ये ऑप्शंस आपने अपने केयरफुली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड करने हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट आपने इनको very carefully choose करना है. Right? Thank you very much for watching. Look after yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson.